Django is free and open source Python web framework. It runs on a web server. Installation run in VS Code IDE. Step by step explain. Django application dependencies, Python and VS Code. Installation completed. Next, run in VS Code. Windows search box, type VS Code. First option, Visual Studio Code. Select Visual Studio Code. Complete user interface, dark mode display. Welcome page close. Django project folder create. Left side, open folder button click. Desktop option select. Second button, new folder click. Delete key press. Folder name enter. Django projects. Enter key press. Bottom side, first button. Select folder click. First button, yes, I trust the others. Click. Newly created folder, Django projects. Explorer window display. Terminal menu click. First one, new terminal select. Welcome page close. Newly created folder, default location display. Python and pip. Successful installation verifying process. Enter the Python command. Python space ---- version. Enter key press. Installed Python latest version 3.13.3. Second text command pip. Pip space ---- version. Enter key press. Installed pip latest version 25.0.1. Destination folder installation location display. Local disk C program files. Newly created folder Python 313. Complete info display. Enter key press. Right side default PowerShell. Down arrow click. Second option command prompt select. Create virtual environment. Enter the text command. Python space -m space VNV space virtual environment name enter. Django _app. Enter key press. Newly created virtual environment name display in Explorer window. Left side expand icon click. Scripts folder expand. Activate. Enter the command. Virtual environment name as the same enter here. Django _app / S scripts / activate. Enter key press. Script folder activate. This is my VNV virtual environment name before display command prompt. Next, install Django command. Pip space install space Django. Enter key press. Collecting Django application related downloading process start files. Installing collected packages. Verifying. Wait and here few seconds. Successfully installed Django latest version 5.2. Django successful installation verifying process. Enter the command. Django -admin space -version. Enter key press. Successful installation Django latest version 5.2 display. Next, create Django project command. Django -admin space start project space created project folder name enter. My _app. Enter keys press. Folder inserted. Command enter. cd space my _app. Enter key press. Inserted created folder display. Run the server automatically. Enter the command. Python space manage dot py space run server. Enter key press. Run server spelling mistake double E display. Re-enter command. Enter key press. Starting development server IP address display. Cursor set on link. Follow link blue color words. Click on it. Address bar our local host display. The install worked successfully. Congratulations. View release note for Django latest version 5.2